Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you are new here, my name is Linden Houston. Welcome to Linden Houston Cooking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a pan-seared tilapia fish. And we're going to have over here some baby courgette, peppers, and some zucchini. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use. Some people call these eggplant, the aubergines, peppers. I'm going to use some potato for my carbs. Just simple season, all purpose. We have here some boneless fillet tilapia. So what I'm basically going to do, I'm going to get my potato going over this side. Because I want to have some potato with this. That's all personal preference. Basically what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna dice these. And then I'm gonna put them straight in the pot. Just a little bit of salt in this. So the next thing I'm working on is my fish. I'm gonna go over it with some seasoning, some white pepper, a bit of all-purpose season. And we have some fresh chopped thyme here. Gonna use some olive oil in this. And we're gonna start to cook our fish. You need to hear that sound. I'm gonna go in with some garlic. For a bit of extra flavor, we're gonna give him some butter. Put some thyme in. And now for our vegetables, I'm gonna work on the vegetables now. So with these, I'm just gonna cut them in half like this. You don't have to boil them. You know, just wash them, give them a bit of dry. Look at that. So that's gonna be our vegetables. So it's gonna be like this. Next thing is just gonna turn our fish. Look how lovely this is. So likewise the same, gonna do this one, gonna cut this probably about 4. And the peppers just in half like this. I'll be using about 1 red onion. I'm just gonna cut them in kind of a wedge. We're gonna use 2 cloves of garlic. This dish is really healthy, delicious, tasty, and it's good for your well-being. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do find value in this video, remember to like, share, and do subscribe.